There have been changes in the world of trading, and the Metatrader platform has introduced many different restrictions. Because of this, a large number of brokers have switched to a new terminal. This terminal is called TradeLocker. In this video, I will give a full review of this terminal and show you how to use it. This is how the terminal looks like. The charts here are from TradingView. The left panel is exactly the same as in TradingView. You can, for example, blow up a line, draw and completely use this chart to draw different shapes that you need for trading. You can also add customizations. That's how I added. I have a panel here now. At the bottom left, we have settings. This is where we check the box to have one-click trading activated. On the right-hand side, we have a menu with our tools. If I click on the right mouse button, I can add any instrument to the selection. Then I click on the star on the top right, and then I see my trading tools in my favorites. At the bottom of the panel, I have my balance, my open positions, my trades that I have had today, and I can move it around like this. You can whisper it, you can look at it. If you don't like it, you can hide it. That's how the positions open up here. This line I'm deleting. I click here. Here we can open a position either by limit or by market. We set stop loss and take profit. We choose where we are going to open long or short. We can clamp this line and just move it around. I have a deposit of $25,000. If I want to have a fixed risk, for example 1%, and I need to calculate the size of the position, I check the box right here for risk. Here I enter the dollar amount, USD. So you see, I'll change the number of lots that I can take. Then, when I click buy, I will make a purchase. I will have stop loss set here, take profit set here. Limit order is all the same, except we have a slider here, which we set the price at which we want to set our limit order. To set our limit, order, and we press buy. If we want to sell, we press sell. Right now we can't sell because we have to drag, we have to swap this over. We just put stop loss up and take profit down. Now we can activate that. I'm going to close this all out now. There's also a quick buy terminal here. We choose market or limit. I have market selected right now. I select sell or buy. And for example, I want to calculate the risk. I personally do not use take profit in trading. I turn it off. And for example, I want to buy. Here I choose buy. Here I enter the risk of 1%. I put a stop here and clamp the market. Let's just, for the sake of example, I'll just put in a risk of 25. I press buy. If I bring up this window, you'll see that here's my bid. If I click on the cross here, I enter the number of lots. So I can do a partial closeout. Here I have 21 lots right now. So if I want to close, for example, 10 lots, I click here and it closes. If I want to close the whole position, I click on the cross. I can move this field. If I don't want this field on the right to get in my way, I can narrow it. I could take it out completely, and I could have it right here. I could move it over here. I can change the light graphics too. I mean, all the settings in the trading view. Everything. There's an open button on the top left. Here you can highlight what time the market is working. In principle, there is nothing more to say about this terminal. I am satisfied with it, I like it, it looks modern, and it is convenient. It is much more convenient than Metatrader, and I like using it. If you have any questions, please write in the comments below the video. Also, please like it, it motivates me to release as much new content as possible. Also, if you're interested in the topic of trading, check out the rest of the videos on my YouTube channel. Have a good day, everyone.